Peanut butter, chocolate, peanut butter, chocolate, protein? Today, we're combining all three and making my favorite candy, something I can eat every day. These protein peanut butter cups are not just simple to make, but actually pack some decent macros with fairly common ingredients you might already have. Oh, and they actually taste like peanut butter cups. So let's jump right into it. Speaking of candy, what's your all-time favorite or current go-to? Drop it below and maybe I'll give it a high protein go for next time. Start this one with a small mixing bowl. Add into it half a cup of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of syrup or honey, 1 ounce of milk or milk substitute, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 scoops of a vanilla protein powder, and half a teaspoon of salt if you use an unsalted peanut butter. Mix those together until everything is combined. It should end up a bit gritty like this, not completely smooth. Think sand. If it's still a bit too wet, you can add in a tablespoon of coconut flour. I'll throw more tips, metric conversions, and any of the products I used on the website, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Speaking of products, you're now going to need either some silicone or paper cup liners. Personally, the silicone ones win every time for this recipe, and you'll see why in a second. Evenly distribute your mix into your cups. I'm making 8 today, but this could change depending on how big you want your peanut butter cups to be. Use your hands to press it into the cup until it's compacted and your top is flat. Place them on a baking sheet or something you can use to easily transfer them to the fridge or freezer. From here, melt a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. I'm using the microwave. 30-second intervals, mix, and repeat until melted. Add around half of a tablespoon to the top of each one. You should have just enough to do all 8. Last, sprinkle on some flaky salt and put them in the fridge or freezer for around 30 minutes. In the end, they should look like this. Quick tips for these. Number 1, back to the silicone cup conversation and why I prefer it. You can easily peel down the edges like this. I'll throw a link to them below if you want a set. I've used them in a few recipes. Number 2, I personally store them in the freezer and let them sit out for 2 to 3 minutes before eating them. In the freezer, they'll also last around 3 months, so you can make them in bulk. Number 3, change your flavor up by using different flavored protein powder. Salted caramel, cookies and cream, banana, the variations are endless. The winner of our last testing your guest submitting for the meal prep was, hey, congrats to you. For this week's testing your guest submitting, we're going with one of our peanut butter cups. Guess how much you think it weighs in grams in the comments below. The first one closest to it will win a gift card to our store where you can purchase a shirt, shaker, or anything else you want. 1 guess per person. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one, or simply to help the algorithm. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy. In the end, they should look like this.